Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to get and use the temperature sticker on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now tap on the camera icon on top left corner to add a story. Now I'll just click a black picture. And then swipe up. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the temperature sticker. Tap on that. Now put it on your screen. And if you tap on that, it will change. You can select from any of the three stickers. You can resize and reposition it as you like. When you are done, tap Send to and then tap Share. And that's how you can get and use the temperature sticker on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.